find it quite interesting, and the good part about this is we got a lot of senior architects this time, and the interaction was very good. The format of your event is really good, where there are some intellectually stimulating events like panel discussions and all, and there is a fair amount of time given to the presentations also. So we are quite happy, and we'll be a part of it in the times to come.
Spend an hour or two.
Yes, sir.
But in a way, believe it or not, I reconnected with almost all the young architects and the old ones in some way or the other. I didn't know that they knew me at all. And from the past to the present to the future. It has been a fantastic experience. Any professional way I can add value to you, it is my privilege to be part of your people.
The best part was everybody tried to showcase their basic services, products and the specialities, and it was well reciprocated by the audience also. Audience never say that it is becoming boring or it is becoming longer or it is becoming louder. So the participative part was the best part for me. Usually what I have experienced is in most of such events, participants becomes slightly boring, and they say it is becoming longer or they are taking long time. But it was very interesting. People were watching it silently, and they were very saying you all were very good. I think it was very good effort, and everything was on time. To me, the most surprising part that in Nepal also you all could maintain time well on time. So that was one of the best part for me. And in future, what we can do is we can organize many more this type of activities here in Nepal, for which I think we'll be requiring help of your agency, and we'll definitely recall you all for that.
But from the day one, I could not see any significant change, because when we are at the top, then we have to remain at the top, and we have to redefine ourselves all the time again. Punctual was super, as the city sometimes starts very late. But here today morning, we started almost on time. We are almost going to finish on time, and this is a great good achievement. And as I said, people are dropping in, audience is fully packed. So I'm super happy.